Welcome to Adarshalaya, free online classes of zoology, environmental science and career guidance YouTube channel by Dr. Anjali Srivastava, retired zoology professor, Jamshedpur Women's University. Now discussing trending research areas in entomology on request of viewers. Entomology is the science of insects, which rule the animalia world, showing enormous impact on human world as well as all areas influencing it. Entomology gives better understanding of environment and biology in relation to insects affecting human health. Entomology includes fundamental entomology and applied entomology. Basic entomology includes structural details, whereas applied entomology includes almost all branches of applicable science affecting human world. Major research areas in insect evolution includes environmental entomology of natural ecology, human geography, climatic effects, discovery of novel insect species, application of genomics in studying insect biology, utilization of insects for sustainable management addressing global challenges like biodiversity conservation, food security, medical entomology, etc. Let's see one by one. Environmental indicator. Forensic entomology, entomotoxicology. Army entomology, insect pests and pest management, medical entomology, urban entomology, agricultural entomology, molecular entomology, biotechnological entomology, industrial entomology, urban entomology, biomimicry, international entomology, biological control, pest control, entomology in archaeology and anthropology, genomics, systematics, in art and culture and many more aspects of our world. It also includes insecticide toxicology, insect molecular genetics, plant-insect interactions, pollinator health and pollinator stress, sustainable agriculture, veterinary entomology, etc. etc. Environmental indicator. Insects are particularly sensitive to climatic changes, patterns and seasons of regional flora cover, general forest cover, arrival of new pests or sudden decline of native species, indicating many environmental issues like effect of deforestation, carbon dioxide concentration, water pollution, oxygen depletion, persistent ecological issues like drought and flood, telling much about types of trees, shrubs and flowers including insects, specifically pollinating insects like bees and butterflies. Forensic entomology research areas include scientific research of insects and their use in legal investigations. It includes civil, criminal, administrative and government national security issues. Forensic entomology also includes entomotoxicology and army entomology as recent research areas. Forest entomology is another interesting area of research in entomology. Biotechnology in entomology provides technology to develop different products. Biological control provides safe, permanent solutions to insect pest problems through use of natural enemies. Recent areas are pests of trees, livestock, stores grain, vegetables, fruits, etc. Fields crop entomology includes minimizing impact of insect pests. International agriculture problems of international food products and distribution. Insect ecology areas of research includes population dynamics, microclimatic influences, food utilization, trophic level relationships like silk, lac, honeyculture insects. Insect pest management aims to develop and implement environmentally sound, sustainable practices to reduce impact of insect pest of field crops, urban environments and forests. Insecticide and environmental toxicology, insect resistance to pesticides, insect molecular genetics, plant-insect interactions, sustainable agriculture, pollinator health entomology, forestry and entomology. Veterinary entomology, medical entomology are some more vulnerable areas for research in entomology. We will see all these areas with some selective topics in all these areas in upcoming videos. Insect systematics includes biodiversity, taxonomy, and phylogenetic relationship of insects and are of major importance to researchers emphasizing systematic taxonomical studies of many diverse taxa-like beetles. Insecticidal environmental toxicology includes impact of pesticides and other toxic agents on insects and environment. Human exposure, mode of action, resistance development and environmental water quality are major areas of research. Regular use of pesticides may cause potential health effects of products being used. 4 major routes of exposure are through skin, nose, eyes and mouth. Insect molecular genetics includes molecular, cellular and organismal mechanics that allow insects to transfer genetic information from one generation to another, focusing efforts on resistance mechanisms, biotype formation and characterization of sibling species. Pollinator health is essential for ecosystem functioning and food security. Researchers can investigate underlying stressors and their roles impacting insect pollinators such as bees and butterflies that contributed to global pollinator health decline. Education and research includes conservation involving research, field work and some diplomacy and public education. Entomologists study and carry out research activities on insects and related life forms based on their life cycle, physiological factors, etc. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon to get the notifications.